Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? How's it going everybody? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back. We'll do a mystery on enveloping, and then another item that just arrived today as well. Well everybody, let's for starters, how's the new year so far? How's 2023 everybody? Welcome to 2023. So far so good here as well. How's it going on your ends, everybody? Ladies and germs of the world. Goodbye 2022. You were an up and let down. Or up and down so far. What the heck. Welcome to 2023. So anyways, let's see what I got. And I got this on CPA Authentics, which they were already autographed, and also they were on a sale. And it ended on the 28th. Or was it the 31st? Well, there was a sale and only lasted until the 28th of December. Pull the trigger on one of the items that we're selling that I've been intriguing to get for some time. And here it is. Let's see what's inside. Always with their do not bend, handle with care. Thank you. Holy cow, what the heck? Did I got ripped off again? Wait a minute. What's underneath here? Here it is. I got an autograph. And does this villain look familiar to you, ladies and gentlemen? It should be. This is the fisherman from I Know What You Did Last Summer. Signed autograph by the dude himself, the man himself, Muse Watson. That's right, he was the villain. He played the villain in I Know What You Did Last Summer. So yeah, y'all, this is coming to us from the film from 1997's I Know What You Did Last Summer. Ultimately, this is one of my favorite horror movies, and like I said in my previous bid from a couple years ago, 4 years ago, this was my first horror movie I saw as a kid. I saw it on HBO a month after my 7th birthday, and 6 months before the sequel was released. This was in May of 1998 when I saw this on HBO. My mom and dad was out of the house. My grandparents were babysitting me. I was in the living room, channel surfing, keeping an eye on Cartoon Network and Nickelodeon. But unfortunately, by 8 p.m., they only show Nick at Night, which is the classic TV shows of the 60s, late 60s and early 70s and 80s TV shows. But I remember to stick to Cartoon Network and Disney sometimes. And then this popped, and then when I was channel surfing on my, whatchamadoohickey, what is it? HBO or Cinemax, this movie came up, and then boom, I was intrigued. I was like, whoa. Since then, anytime it would come on TNT, TBS, whatever channel it was on, I would remind myself. I would put on the reminder and then just put it on and watch it. Never had it recorded. What a surprise. But I remember, I saw it on VHS, but I never bought the VHS. I never rented the VHS. My old man was like, I couldn't see it. And also another channel that I had or still is going on was Telemundo, Cine de las Estrellas, that I saw as a kid attending elementary to middle school days. This was on, I watch in Spanish. So yeah, this is the Blu-ray from the early days. Very good quality, nothing crappy, good special features. And this is the DVD I got. Well, when I get to this Blu-ray, I'll get that in a sec. But on this DVD, I got this on my 17th birthday. Had it ever since, love it. And plus, at the time of attending school days, I did not know Kevin Williamson, the man that brought us Scream, here he is, was the writer for this movie. I did not know that. No special features here. All you have is audio commentary with director Jim Gillespie and, what's his name? Is the editor? Yeah, Steve Merkovich, who of course was the editor for Friday the 13th Part 8, Jason Takes Manhattan. So yeah. I got this DVD on my 17th birthday around the time I was in high school. I got this one some years ago. I believe it was 2017, 2018 I got this one. So yeah, kudos to that. And now a 4K of this movie is out. So I'm going to triple dip on that. Pull the trigger and what else? There's deleted scenes, which I kind of knew, only the alternate ending. But there were scenes that were on the TV spot of the movie that are not even on the finished film. And also new special features that were from the special features that were on the 88 Films box set of I Know What You Did Last Summer. Unfortunately, that set is region 2. So forget buying that. So yeah, I'm keeping these. I'm going to get the 4K. So yeah, even sometime growing up, I wanted to meet this dude, Muse Watson. If he ever comes for a sign-in or at a convention, I am definitely want to meet this dude because, man, this is one intrigued villain. I wonder which MCU character would face him. Could Hawkeye face him? Could, I don't know. Maybe Wanda Maximoff can face him. I don't know which character. Oh, and most importantly, this is Beckett Authenticated. That's right, Beckett Authenticated. I mean, look at this autograph, folks. Awesome. Thank God I pulled the trigger on this. If there's a sale, I'll be doing a Halloween video right about already. But when it comes up, you'll all know, and it'll be in the link in the description box down below. But right now, there's nothing going on. So yeah, very, very awesome. I'm pleased I got this. Now on to the next item. Also, another item arrived today from Best Buy that I pre-ordered about 2 months prior to this. And then it's here. What is this movie? It came out in 2022. It was a low budget horror film, and I did a review on that movie. Terrifier 2. It's here. It's here. Ah! And it's not the other cover art I ordered. I got this. And my pal Kursky Films has this. Oh, and like my buddy Kursky Films, are you listening to this, buddy? It is the Terminator 2 of horror films. So before I show you the poster connections, here it is. Fan art, director commentary, behind the scenes of Terrifier 2, extended Boo Cruise interview. So yeah, look at that villain, y'all. Look at the villain, man. Tell me something. Is that awesome or what? And this is a cool, kick-ass cover art. Shout-outs to the people that distribute this movie. What are their names? I can't even tell. Oh, well, that's what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. I can't even tell who was the distributor, but here they are. Shout-outs to you people at Sing DIGM. Wait a minute. Oh, it's the poster artwork. Oh, I'm intrigued. I'm pleased. So yeah, this, like my pal Kursky Films said, Terrifier 2 is the Terminator 2 of horror movies. Terminator 2 of horror sequels. This is how they should do it. So yeah, if you look at this, a quote from our pal Stephen King. Terrifier 2, grossing you out old school. Terrifier 2, grossing you out old school. Stephen King. So yeah, y'all. What do you guys think? Is this awesome? Is it totally worth pulling the trigger? Let me put a little photo comparison with Terminator 2 and Terrifier 2. Here it is, everyone. Terminator 2 and Terrifier 2. Now tell me, what do you think is, do you think there could be a little itty-bitty parallels in the horror and action, sci-fi-esque kind of movies. You think there could be another Art the Clown, and then this Art the Clown could be the hero? What do you think? So yeah, that's all there is to know. Well, anyways, y'all, tell me, what do you guys think of the autograph and the 4K of Terrifier 2 dudes and dudettes? Tell me what you think. Can't wait for Terrifier 3. Let me know in the comments down below. And tell me, what did you get for Christmas as well? Did you guys get your copies of Terrifier 2? Let me know as well. And if you guys are a fan of T2, let me know as well. Terminator 2, let me know as well, y'all. Well, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Oh, let me just give you one more shout outs to my pal Kursky Films. Kursky Films, you the man. My buddy, Kursky Films. Subscribe to his channel and follow it. Links in the description box down below. So yeah, y'all. Anyways, have a good evening. Be safe. Take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Signing off, y'all. Welcome to 2023. And enjoy it, y'all. Later, y'all.